Good morning. Today I'm just waiting for Don to get back home. We are going to Vegas. We're going to Vegas to celebrate my niece's 21st birthday. So that should be fun. I'm excited. I haven't been there in a very long time. So it'll be fun to hang out with some 21-year-olds as they celebrate and start drinking at the tender age of 21. I remember when I was 21. But it is about 7 a.m. so we're gonna go to the airport and get ready. See you in Vegas. Hi, Don. Hello, we made it. We're in Vegas. We're ready to party with my niece, Monique. Now it's just time to go to the hotel. Just for a few days until Tuesday for my niece's birthday.
Oh, nice.
Yes. She turns 21, so she wants to have the family over. Yep. What a way to start drinking, right?
Right. You guys got to take her to Fremont Street. There's free concerts going.
What is that?
It's a camera.
Why is it so cute?
Cause it's mine. It's a DJI camera.
Yeah.
Vegas.
There's 4 lanes for the thing. Let's all go.
Wow. For the zip liners?
It doesn't even look scary.
That's fun.
It's my birthday, bitch.
It's my birthday. You want to get one? Monique, you should get one of those. You want one? You gotta wear it. What? It's her birthday, bitch.
Walking
tonight. We're at Planet Hollywood, where I am meeting my niece, where she has a suite for her 21st birthday. Let's see what they have.
Hello, MTV.
Hey,
I'm Monique.
Well, hello, Monique.
I'm 21.
How are you doing, my
Welcome to
21st,
my crib.
my 21st birthday girl?
Yes, welcome to my crib.
Wait, this thing is hard to close. My goodness. Wait, is this?
The main thing
God.
is you can see the view of Vegas.
Oh.
First, let's go this way.
Let's go this way. We'll follow you.
You know I'm a busy woman, so I always have to have some office space. So this is where I do my work, and I get to look at the world of Vegas.
Hey, girl. It's not easy to be pretty and smart.
You see,
Hey.
this furniture was imported.
Imported.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know Christian Louboutin?
Hey.
He made this for free because he makes
Wow.
furniture.
Oh my God. Wait. Hey, Brooke. Hey. She knows who she's dealing with.
Right.
You got.
Cheers.
Hey,
Always
girl.
has a cup in their hand.
Hey, hey, hey. My girls, I love them. I love them when they're 21 and they can drink.
In a bathtub, but
Oh
we
my
can
God.
talk about it later.
Oh my God. Look at
So
that.
you know how we gotta check out this
Hi.
view.
We gotta go to the view.
Gotta check out.
Oh. Oh my God.
To
Wait.
buy this
there's
apartment because I just love the view of Vegas. I'm such a partier and I love the nightlife.
What? What?
You see that building over there? You see that? With
Okay.
the W on top? Yeah, I just bought it.
Oh, that's perfect.
a brief message
Oh.
from our sponsor.
Sponsored by Jollibee. Let's follow my niece. What you got here, niece? What you got? What you got?
Magic happens.
Oh. Wait. Magic? You just turned 21, girl. There's no magic yet, right?
Cards,
Oh, yeah.
The cards downstairs.
Oh, okay, yeah, magic, yeah. That kind of magic. No, none of that magic.
No, like, what card
Yeah.
was your card? And if you didn't know, I'm a big fan of full body mirrors.
Yes, I love the
So,
brass frames.
fun
The brass
fact,
frames
I
are
love to
fab.
stand here and feel like I'm Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande too.
That's
Thank-
the inspiration
thank
for
you.
this look tonight. Thank you, Ariana.
Yes, thank you.
Love you,
Wait,
boo.
do that again.
Love you, boo.
Love you, boo. Thank you.
And
Next,
lastly, let me take you into my bathroom.
the bathroom. Wow.
Excuse the mess.
Oh God, we're not gonna get the
my
mic.
cleaners.
We're gonna hide the mess.
Work tomorrow. They're off for like we have the bright lights.
Illuminated,
It's all
not
about-
quite
it's all about
nicely.
the lighting.
I do like that.
Yes.
It's great for selfies.
Great
Look
illuminating,
at that.
yes.
Hmm.
And then here is the makeup section, the makeup table. I
Yeah.
like to have my privacy
Yeah.
when I'm taking a bath. But sometimes I also like to
Oh my God.
I like to socialize.
Socialize.
Cheers. So,
Yes. Oh. Wait. Cut. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay. There you go. That works.
Thanks for coming to my crib, MTV. I hope you enjoyed.
Thanks for having us. Oh my God.
It's midnight! Woo! It's a happy birthday.
Butter, fucking butter. He did.
When in Vegas.
Hey. Yes, baby. Hey. All right, I'm ready.
Para arriba.
Arriba.
Para centro. Para lado. Why do you build me up?
Ah!
Like a baby just to let me out. You're not allowed to make the face when you 21.
I'm gonna get a heartburn.